So breaking news from Thousand Trails, so they have now released a new adventure package details, and we're gonna bring it to you here.
On the party of 6. All right, so some really cool things that you can do. Let's talk real quick about Thousand Trails
Yes.
and a little bitty brief what it is, and it saved us a lot of money.
So if you're not familiar with Thousand Trails, it is a membership camping program that allows you to camp all over the U.S. and over, I think, 81 parks across the country. And it has saved us a ton of money here in Central Florida this winter. So since we went full-time, we've only spent 1 week outside of Thousand Trails. And this week, we are here at Royal Coachman, a beautiful park, one of their encore parks, part of the Trails Collection. And what's awesome about this new package is you can do more with the Trails Collection. So we'll get to that. But if you're not familiar with Thousand Trails, it allows you, they have different levels of membership. They have a camping pass that allows you to go up to 14 days in their parks. You can book 60 days out, and then they have different membership levels that increase the time that you can stay and things like that. So with our membership, we can book 120 days outside of when we want to stay, and we can book up to 21 days, and we can go park to park.
21 days in a row.
In a row, yep. So we can stay in one spot for 21 days in a Thousand Trails park. We've added the Trails Collection, which allows us to go to their encore parks. So we can stay up to 14 days at an encore park.
Which is what this one is.
So like this one, but with this new membership, you can do even more. So let's get into it.
So with the new adventure pack, it gets rid of the Odyssey.
So this is replacing the Odyssey pack, or the Odyssey level of membership.
Yeah.
So that is their top tier membership, and the adventure pack, or the adventure membership, is replacing the Odyssey.
So you are then able to go from encore to encore, which now you have to go from encore to Thousand Trails and then to encore. There has to be that break in between.
There has to be a 7-day break. So you have to leave encore for 7 days. So you can stay up to 14 days in an encore today with all of the memberships if you have the Trails Collection. But with the new Trails Collection Plus, you can now go up to 21 days in an encore park, and that's phenomenal. And the other huge thing that I think makes this package phenomenal is,
what?
90-day booking window.
Oh, yes.
So
I was like, which thing? There's a lot.
So with the Trails Collection membership that is available today to all Thousand Trail members, you have a 60-day window. So I can book 60 days from now. I can book the Fiesta Key, which is one of our favorite resorts down in the Keys. With the Trails Collection Plus, as part of the adventure pack, I can now book 90 days in advance. So I get a head start over everyone else. And I can book for up to 21 days. And I can go from encore to encore.
So you could be in the Keys and you could go from Fiesta Key down even further to Sunshine Key, right?
Yep.
Sunshine Resort. So you
can bounce between them.
Oh yeah, you could stay in the Keys forever.
So not only do you get 21 days and be able to go park to park, you get 4 additional weeks where you can add 1 more week for $29. So you can stay 28 days at Thousand Trails parks 4 times a year. But also 2 times a year during the high use time. So right now in Florida it's high use. That's like December through April because all the snowbirders come. You can add 1 week to those reservations for $99. So you can stay up to 21 days during high use. Like for us right now, we have to move every 14 days regardless if it's encore or Thousand Trails.
Yep.
So we can go encore to encore, Thousand Trails to Thousand Trails, do up to 21 days at both, and that's phenomenal.
It's huge.
It's a huge deal.
Yeah.
So this is replacing the Odyssey. The Odyssey is going away, and now they're calling it the Adventure Package with the optional Trails Collection Plus. And the Trails Collection Plus comes included for the first year.
Yes.
And you still get RPI for 2 years, so that's a whole nother thing. It's confusing. If you have questions, what you need to do is reach out to our friends, Warren and Sharon Lewis. We'll put their contact information below. They are amazing. They have helped us so much just understanding Thousand Trails because it can be confusing. If you have questions about Thousand Trails, leave a comment below. We'll put Warren and Sharon's contact information below, so feel free to reach out to them. Tell them the Party of 6 sent you,
Yes.
and they will take care of you.
They will. Can I tell the most exciting news?
Yes.
So if you contact Warren and Sharon and tell them the Party of Six sent you, they can get you a lot of money off.
They will give you the best deal.
They will. Yes. They are cutting it as low as they can. Call them.
Yep. So we'll leave their information below. So this was breaking news from the Party of Six. We hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below if you have questions about Thousand Trails or want to know more. We're glad to tell you about our experience at Thousand Trails.
Loved it.
We've loved it.
Also, comment below. What do you think of our new chairs?
Yeah.
We got these from Sam's Club. They fold up pretty good. Look, they've got this nice little table.
Nice shelf.
Yeah. What do you think?
With a cooler underneath. And
Yes.
it all folds down. They're phenomenal.
They are. That's my question though. What is your favorite camping chair that folds up, goes under your rig well? What is your favorite? Let us know. We'll see you real soon.